Okay, it's on. Be a safety partner. It's on.
It's on?
Yeah.
Just told me.
I mean, what? Why?
Let's play Ring Around the Rosie.
I don't know. Will it go that way? Okay.
Child. Not yet. We need Brenda.
It's the first time you see me.
Abuse.
I'm a camera holder person.
But the desk is right now.
I know, right?
You gotta pee-pee. Let's go pee-pee.
You ruined it! Behind the scenes. Bloopers, I guess. That's what she said. She's coming. Your phone is vibrating.
Oh, mine.
No way. I just said yours.
Oh.
My phone is off. It's like dead. It's not dead. I just like the internet thingy.
I don't know. I never got his name.
She talks to random people at school.
Oh, I thought it was on.
Say hi to the camera. Right there. Say hi.
You made it.
Say hi.
Hi.
He doesn't even know where he's looking. He's like,
He's looking at the computer.
what am I saying hi to? Hi. I love you. No.
I said fire.
Ouch. He's wearing the same shirt he's wearing there.
Kevin, you want to dance bachata? Told you so. Go where? Hey, let's play. Play.
Not our funniest video yet.
No, it's behind the scenes.
Yeah. I'm holding the camera again. Here comes my other sister. And with our dog.
If the dog is like a freaking baby, it's not a baby.
If the dog is like a freaking baby, it's not a baby.
I mean, I was that.
Hey, puppy!
What the heck?
Look at my super cool green nails. Aren't they cool?